Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. March 21, Tuesday, our market ended higher today, up 79.73 points, are up 1.24% to close at 6,530.75. Value turnover is at 4.4 billion pesos. So, bargain hunting lifted our market, but we're not out of the woods yet. No? So, BSP is looking to raise interest rates this week. And yun nga, kahit uh, na-save ng UBS si Credit Suisse, no, it's a temporary relief lang. No? So we all know there's a pressure there. No? And it also affecting the sentiments. No? So this kind of market, it's really a sell on rally. No? So expect weakness in the coming weeks. No? So there might be some opportunities for some plays, yung mga dividend paying plays. Other than that, medyo alanganin. No? Anyway, yun nga, no, bottom fishing. No? Lifted our market. At sabi rin ni Felipe Medalla, our BSP governor, that yun nga, he's assuring that the banking crisis overseas is unlikely to impact our local banks due to their strong balance sheet. Iba yung business ano natin, no? If you check yung Silicon Valley Bank, no, their business model really they're putting money sa mga startups, no? Yung sa atin naman very traditional business. No? Anyway, welcome to another lecture. Anyway, if you are also following the news, kawawa yung 81 bondholders ng Credit Suisse. So talagang winipe out sila. Ginawang ni-write off. So zero ang value. And although the Philippine banks wala namang exposure doon, there are some Filipino clients or Filipinos may exposure doon talagang zinero. No? So we need to assess our risk appetite. No? So ano ba talaga ang hierarchy in case a problematic company defaults? No? Can you just write it off? No? Normally, dapat nga mas superior, senior ang bond than equity. No? So, anyway, ACEN, lift close higher. Globe, AC, Ali, Wilcon. No? ACEN also disclosed that they trimmed their position in SPNEC. No? So if you don't know, they have 500 million shares in SPNEC, no? Which is one of those debt to equity conversion in SPNEC. They sold 100,000 shares to bring down their total shares in SPNEC to around 400, 499,900. No? Tama ba? 4,900,000, di ba? Just 4.99%. It's the below the 5% threshold, no? Talagang ano yun eh. Alanganin kasi, no, subject to reporting, medyo hassle if you own 5%. Pero pag you're just holding 4.99%, hindi na. No? So anyway, yun lang naman yun. No? So it's starting to go up rin with SPNEC. JGS, AEB, SCC, URC, and Meralco closed lower today. Robinson's Land announced that they'll be doing another buyback. No? So total buyback program is around 9 billion pesos. So they already bought around 4 point something billion. So they have around 5 billion pesos worth of RLC to buy back. No? Public float is around 36%. So medyo malaki-laki pa. And if you also check the long-term perspective, long-term chart nito, no? During the financial crisis ng 08 came from 4 pesos. So medyo alanganin pa dito despite the good performance ng company. Talagang it was removed from the index. So talagang some funds are still selling this company. Anyway, Double Dragon is planning to top up their dollar bond listed in SGX. No? So as they intends to expand their Hotel 101 projects overseas. So talagang hirap mag-raise ng money si Double Dragon here in the Philippines. That's why they're raising money sa Singapore na lang. No? And through their other subsidiaries, even Hotel 101 is doing their own uh, Series A route there. No? So medyo busy rin si Injap, which is also launching their new brokerage business this April. No? Sobrang high-tech daw. Dragon P ba tawag doon? Dragon Phi. No? So, I think they will invest in the sunrise industry. Anyway, other than that, ABS event confirms that uh, the news regarding their partnership with Data Labs to power its various business units and NFT business. So they're venturing outside their usual business, no? So right now they're not a station na, no, but more of a content creator. And they want to maximize the value of their property in Quezon City. Anyway, several banks, no, been downgraded. No? So credit side, no, downgraded. Security Bank, UBP, PNB, no, as a potential economic slowdown, no, could pressure their loan portfolios. Of course, given the high interest rate market, mataas ang cost of borrowing. This is also the reason why several companies, no, especially mga property companies, are doing an IPO kasi mataas ang interest eh. So let's just sell shares sa market instead of borrowing, no? And it could also affect economic activity, diba? What else? FGen, no, signed a deal with DNR for the development of this 120 megawatt pump storage hydro facility in Nueva Ecija, FYI na lang. So what else? MPI, someone asked me about MPI. No, I think we already answered that. There's no point of answering the same question over and over again. No? So if hindi malinaw, no, just review that video. No? So we clearly uh, stated, no, all possible scenarios in MPI. No? Tender offer, walang tender offer. There's buyback, walang buyback. No? We clearly uh, answered those. No? And what's the definition of of a undervalued stock? No? When the price of that stock is below the intrinsic value, that's undervalued. Given this kind of market, almost all stocks are undervalued. But the more pressing question is, will we make money? No? So of course, di ba? If there's an opportunity, then we buy. No? Don't just buy a company because it's undervalued. No? And undervalued means na no one wants them. No? But it's a matter of when. No? And it could take some time. No? Mega World is undervalued, but will we make money? No? RLC is undervalued. Will we make money? Merrimart is overvalued, di ba? But why are people buying Merrimart? Or even from 1 peso, it's already overvalued, but it went to as high as 8 pesos, di ba? You don't just buy a stock because it's overvalued or undervalued. No? Daming factors dyan. It's more of the will we make money out of it, di ba? MPI is undervalued, but if there's no tender offer, then price goes down. Diba? Yun naman yun, no? SPNEC is definitely overvalued, but market is willing to pay premium because of their uh, big assets that they will infuse, no? Yun naman yun eh. No? Ano ba yung laro sa stock na yun, no? Is it an event-driven stock? Is it an earnings play? Is it a dividend play? No? Anyway, GMA has been also climbing up the past 3 days. No? So I expect dividend to be announced in the next 2-3 weeks. No? So we're already positioning for that. Maliit lang naman. No? Normally around this time. No? GSMI, today is also the exit of GSMI. We have GSMI, but it did fell. No? Big news on GSMI as one of their team captain, L.A. Tenorio, si Mr. Ironman, was diagnosed with a stage 3 cancer. So si Lieutenant General L.A. Tenorio, get well soon. I hope to see you really soon. No? And yun nga, he's now working as an assistant coach muna. No? At least for the time being para makapag-recover siya. At least di siya nawalan ng trabaho. No? To keep him busy. No? Bata pa lang yan, no? Colon cancer. Grabe. What else? No? Yun. Don't just buy a stock because it's undervalued. No? Maraming factors to consider. Will we make money, do? Why is Ayala lagging behind SM? Because of their ownership, ano rin, no? If you check, masyadong malaki ang ownership ng foreign ownership with Ayala. This is also the reason pag nag-alisa ng foreigners, malaki ang drop ng mga Ayala stocks compared to the C family. But pag nagbalikan yung mga foreigners rin, ang laki rin ng upside. No? It's a matter of ano rin, diba? Yun naman yun. But it clearly, they've been lagging behind the SM group, no? BDO, SM, SM Prime. No? SM Prime, by the way, no, is still studying their options with regards to listing their SM rate. Shell Pilipinas, no, will be changing their company name from Shell Pilipinas Petroleum to Shell Pilipinas Corporation, no. So this will be in effect next week, no, as they change, no. If you don't know yet, no, I think they already closed some of their depot. Anyway, Meralco is concluding a supply agreement to substitute the lost 670 megawatt capacity after its contract with SMC has been terminated. GT Cap nag-declare na rin ng cash dividend. MPI also has acquired a new hospital in South Cotabato. So expect uh, them to list their subsidiaries by fourth quarter this year. So talagang they're sucking up the liquidity ng market. Upson, start na ng period ng IPO nila. No? I think they're targeting to list next or April, first week. Si Alter this Friday. Diba? So, oil, no? Metrobank, by the way, is also spending up to 5 billion for their capex this year, which is more than the uh, capex last year, no? Which is around 3.69 billion. So anyway, sabi naman nila 70% of the capex will be used to boost the information technology. No? So catch up lang. FNI, no? Global Ferronickel, no, said that they signed a new nickel supply deal with Bao Steel. If I already discussed that. Meralco discussed. Uh, so yun. No? Our passcode is Happy Tuesday. So I hope despite the very boring day, we're still making money. Ako mismo, I'm just positioning for dividend plays. Tapos pag umakyat, benta-benta tayo. There's not much going on with the market. Expect weakness, especially second quarter, which is April, tapos May. No? So what we call sell in May and go away. Sasaluhin na lang yung market kapag gano'n na. No? But there will be some opportunity out there. Dividend plays. No? So again, thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye-bye.